Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Commercial Vehicles decides to continue with the indefinite strike. Interstate tourist taxis will resume plying from tomorrow to ease the hardship of interstate passengers. And indefinite strike call by commercial vehicles does not have much impact in Jowai, the district headquarters of West Jaintia Hills. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Commercial Vehicles today decided to continue with the indefinite strike till their demands are met. Speaking to the media, the chairman Sri Jirwa of Meghalaya Commercial Vehicles strongly criticized at the state government for its adamant attitude to solve their problems. Jirwa said the commercial vehicles are facing the brunt from the hiking of the prices of petrol and diesel, and the family members are facing enormous hardship because of this. He said, on the contrary, the red buses which have been exempted of the various vehicles are allowed to ply freely with very little service to offer to the public.
Nak benta bencing jing mentoi lang jong ki pajba nong song kali lani ki pajba ki ba penon kam ki kili kamai ani wadi kili simet ru kumjo te lada kamla ban penher dor kini kum phriang kumba kalong dengan itu ipi mangimban se ban hab dawa ban kenteu pada dor ba kali wala da ki kali sarkar ru ngani itu ipi hak jing sisa kila ya phone yang ana kaliang kili na kiliang ki nongnya kali bosau ki ong na te pila si ong kum tu long pen bor ri pajba bakin song kali jungi ngongangi ni don hok ya kata mo namar ba ya tu kali la don bentalang menethet kadai dak pisah ka jungi pajba om dak pisah sarkar te hnrei menta ba kat jingi junga long ba ki kali sarkar ki sim bai kali ar phau lai phau takat ba ngi pot taksi ngi hap sim si phau khatsan te kalong ke ngi ba siu khajna ngin kham sim duna ka ba maki pada ki bam siu khajna em ki siu ya ki simpat ka bai kali ha barem ti kumta na kaliang jungi kaseng ngi kentujur ya barhot ki pra nongya kali khamtam e ki try nong bu kali kamai naru ki bus ki truck ki no ki babu i commercial vehicle ba kimbet nang ni sakmat kat bangim 4 la ban penbet dak moi ba kin phami i kali jongki sasurok namar ba ka jing ipo ba ka jing le be ijot ke sarkar ye kinongnya lani ka jing khen ben kena ka jing sayu roj jong kinongnya kali lani kitra kali hak sarkar kalong sama pelat wat hadu kat kani khlimat ru ngani thu ep wat hapdeng jing ut jing nam jong pajba nong lai nongwan kalong ba ka sarkar ka le menti ben kapau ba ka ke sarkar ka kwa banyak tunjuk bor tina kaliang kitra kali hi ba kinongnya kali ru menta ngin hapni kita ka jing tunjuk bor ka jongi namar ba ngingi yang na ka benta ban ya kersan lang ya ka khia ka son jong pajba kum kanuksa so no men ha kani kato ka lockdown na kaliang kinong malam mistri ngani thu ipi kiyo laka ya ka hok jongki na kata ka jing a na kaliang sarkar kat ba yangi pa nongnya kali kinani kitrai kali brasiu hok sisa ya kata ka lovers mo ngisiu ya kata ka katuka MLMTU katuka legal license jong dulu sapong bangisiu po level department kat ba na kaliang level department ka khamsiu ye kat bangi pada ba kasong yang ba hapsius ki by school hapsius ki by wayeng kam chim na dan watang ukhaw watang khandia ngani thu ipi ndan bon yarap na kaliang sarkar laj no tang na ki kunhon sang malang si saya kata kila adon ki bawan yarap hendrei ki babun hin apling driver kali lengan itu ipi kum so no fraction persen kilong yeng jong kinongnya kali kim don watang ya kar rison ru te kata kali ke bang pensenusi te kum tang asukun tujur ba nang ne sakmat kat bangin parlaman nya penbai da kumai kejingi ki kejingi na kamtang ni ka strike kan niat be sakmat hakeleng ka state hi brokwe kabar kolong ba ladak sarkar kamsim khia e ruem haibere kani ka jing khang jongi kini kali ka ba khambu por khambu sngi te ngin sa siam pat sedeki we pakistan jam ha ka ba khame su ban ya kani ka indefinite strike kata ka de ka banging la sim ta karai na kaliang ka Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle.
The budget session of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will start from the 25th of this month. The budget session will see the introduction of amendment bills and general discussion on the functioning of the council. Speaking to the media, the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, T. Khan, informed that the House will see the introduction of Amendment Bill relating to Khasi Hills management and regulation of market to help the farmers of the state. Khan said KHADC recognition of markets will prevent illegal activities such as gambling, operation of wine stores and bars within the market.
Amendment ya ka Khasi Hills District Establishment, Management and Control of Market. Ini kira second amendment. Regulation Bill to 2021. Kani ka bill kadon ka kandiat ki jing penkala bagi jing insert ya ki clause ki bathamai kumnuban penklan cu ya kani ka ak naga bentaban yarap kamtam ya ki nongrep ki jongi ki baju ya kendu ya ki jing nakapor sa kapor ngidon ka jing kermen balang ba kani ka ak amendment ngin la ya kaban nang penklan cu ya ki yo ki badon hapo ka district ka jongi ki ba amsyam la recognize daga district council ki don sibun ki yo gumba PUE mo ki ba kempat yo ya ka jing itu nakaliang joka district council dan relang ba kani ka akan long mandatory babaro ki yo kin hap ban yo ya ka jing itu nakaliang ka district council but ki don ru ki amendment hakani ka ak ka ba ngi khanglat kam tam ya ki nu ki kam le be an hapo ki yo ki hat ki jung kum ba pitep kum mangan ai nuksa kum hayo du mo gitep ba nalo ka yo ki don ru ki mo ki ching yele kum ke khalai mo kum ke taka gambling nang ta kum ki bar kum ki wine store mo kim dei bandon hapo yo du ta di ka jing snow ka jungi lambakan ni ka ak ba thamai habangi ong kayo kamtam kayo mo kayo du le ka badai kayo kentang ha kumnon don kata ka jing ya khalai don ka jing ya di kiat ka jing ya di kiat to po yo tengah snow ba lambakan ni ka ak ba thamai ngin la ban petrikam ban penya bet ya don ti ya ki yo ki hat kot kum ka jing mut jong ki yo ki hat.
Khan said that it is high time to bring an amendment with regards to solid waste management for ensuring clean environment.
Kita ketika Khasil Autonomous District Solid Waste Management Bill. Kani ka bill nilapas sa ka session ka ba mention snam. Then rain nakaliang jong ka DCA kilapha with some modification. Kidon ki benta ka tukat ni ki ba hap ban pengkala. Then nakaliang jong ka EM in charge la penbet ya kani bat mentangin sapha biang siapa ka DCA hadin bangiladap le ya kajing penbet.
He said the executive committee has decided to the judiciary of the KHADC by creating new posts for judges and magistrate for the courts in Nongstoin, Nongpo and Mau Kerwat.
Bakata kalong ban penklan cu ya ka judiciary kabalong kawe na kitana trekam jong ka district council. Kumba pitip ngidon tanggawe ka district judge minta. Mo kabadan hang ni selong. Tengila rai mentara ka isi ba menta usnam ngin sanction post thamai so way additional judge but sa arngot ki magistrate ki first class magistrate ya ka bangin pentri kam no menta usnam ya ki court ki badan hanong stoin hamok kerwat bat hanong po. Ini tu ipi ba ka judiciary kuma pitip ki kam kes ki kam yelek mukot doma ha pedang para tribal mo para khasi deiban trial hapo ki district court ki tuni tena takadau ngi kwa ban penklan ya ki court ki bangidon da ka bangi extend syadu ki jaka nong kendong kam tam haki district headquarter bakani kanang penklan syuk ya ka judiciary system ki tuni hapo ka district ka jungi.
He said a bill will be introduced in the coming budget session of the KHADC to prevent frequent tussles among the different administrative unit or ilaka.
Kawepat kabenta kaba nakaliang jong EM in charge ilaka wan rai ka agenda ba ngin amen ya ka ilaka administration apo ka district council ka jongi da ka bangi amen ya ka Khasil Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka kani ka Second Amendment Bill 2021. Kani ka bill ni kwa ban penklan cu ya karukom bishar hak bedai ba kini ki kes ya kaja hapadeng ki hima dan ki sinong kitau. Bagata kalong ba ka appellate authority lani ta ka bor ka bakin ki ladadon kanunu ka jing ya kaja mo jing ya mada po ki sinong kitau kamut kan kinwan ban appeal haka haka kod ka jong judge mdai shu how em in charge mdai shu how secretary nrai nang ni sakmat kan long be bakin haban wan how appellate authority ka bau deu judge nang ta kan don sakawai pat ka body ka bangi ong ka conciliatory body kani ka body pat kalong kawai pat ka body ka ban kam yo ban bishar bha yakini ki kam ki biadai bat ka jingya kaja haki snong ki thau kita ki artli ki amendment ba kumjuru haka jingya dai bat ki snong ki thau ki jingya phya snong nang ta haka bijingya dai bat kani ki jingya kaja khaput pat ngila bu ya u tribunal mo ban pet ki jingya kaja puta jaka puta but ba u tribunal menta unom de shu deputy secretary baros kata kamu de deputy secretary nri menta ngin thung bet dau first class magistrate haka jaka jong u deputy secretary nang ba mo pisu thu kam an ta la da don ubri watip ya ka an kamu kan kam ya bet ya nanti kini kiting ya kaja khaput dan iki kimja jaka kita lagi sinong kitau.
Kant also informed that the Special Committee of KHADC and authorities of Hima Mauplang have decided to outsource to maintain the Mauplang Heritage Village, with 60% share to be given to KHADC and the rest 40% will go to Hima Mauplang.
Ka sakawi pa ka mat ka bangikren kalong halor ka jingedai ka take Heritage Village hang te hapo Mauplang. Kumba PE bahagi ni kisnam ki baladap ka Heritage Village sang te Mauplang kala syusa lang kerang kom tu. Hoi ki agreement ki pamanswa kalong ba kinpet ka Hima. Den rei new iba ka singtrei kam kalong ka batlot. Kamla mo ban perlong ya ketika jaka kom kata ka jaka ka bangitmu. Ngila invest labun ka pisan apa district council henrei ngim semla ban pen internet ya ka. Te ngila rai da ka special committee ka bakan thup ka district council bat ki member jong ka Hima Mauplang ba ya ketika jaka ngin outsource no kamut ngi khot ya ki private parties ki badon ka interest ban promote ya ka tourism ani ban sumar ya ka jaka bat bakin develop ya ka jaka bangin shu IY no hakinu no ki riu simet ngi kam prepare ya ki lokal ajong ya ki breu ki bana ka han but menne ka singi layo receive ka way ka representation na ka way ka kanhun ka bala ai ka express ka interest ka jongki bakin penyat ban pej ketika heritage ba ka jok ka poru ngila revive lani ngila pen kelai ka MOU ha ka jingya dei ba ka share apa deng ka Hima ba ka district council ha ka ba ka district council kan yo 60% bat ka Hima kan yo 40%. Nilai keren ru haka jinge dei bat kanika scheme ka badang sa bat ke state government kumba fitip kadon ka scheme ka bangi ong ka tight scheme ka bawan na ka 15 finance commission dan kaliang ka isi ngila rai ba ngin tho biang sya ka state government ba kanika share kumba la alot yangi kumba la sanction yangi da ka 15 finance commission namla da lelei ban ong ban pentrikam da ka PHE department nginum sya kan ni bahkan dehi ka hok ka ba ka district council kan pentri kami kan ka share.
In July, the indefinite strike called by commercial vehicles did not have much impact in July, the district headquarters of West Jaintia Hills. The local taxis and tourist taxis plied normally as usual. The commercial vehicles plied as usual due to lack of proper communication. The commercial vehicle drivers said they would be willing to join the indefinite strike because the hike in the prices of petrol and diesel have also affected them. But as no proper information was given to them, they decided to ply their vehicles. However, Juwai, being a big commercial hub that converges all sorts of business transactions, was affected as people thought that commercial vehicles would not ply today. Speaking to the media, the president of All Jaintia Tourist and Commercial Vehicle Association, Paila Kodol Linkot, said the association did not participate in the strike as the association did not receive any information in this connection.
Ngakam presiden yang ka All Jaintia Tourist and Commercial Vehicle hijing to one gasngi ho iwaro de TV de yo lang ba ka media wa ke chelong waro de em ke strike ne benta wa kudor ke pniang wat hijing to wo ini senyasi tip to na ke liang yong ko ol jan tia imem yo I ka jing pentip ko tikna dan ne mem hiu pentip I wat hijing to wo ni inin arterik yong benau ar snem arjar arfawi de perchangi upelang ya ki presiden go fair go em pok galama yong ko ol jan tia turis ason but hagata ka jingyalang yong I ko khudi ko urgent special meeting de em ka jingya klam ko hab yo klam di bon genta but ka rai ko I hikam ki nong kamai kari jan tia kam ki turis nado ki 800 ki sweep hado ki boss ka rai to ko widon ni ko ikam ki nong kamai ko em pok lama ko ol jan tia to da rai wo ko kam kamai kari ne ga sngi man ko lai bai hos kiat hijing kiat ile kwa hi korchan ha kaliang ko ile percai ke jing penku dor yang sorkar hejing to wo kap niang wo ki bon kitak handrai nei dau wa mem yo I ke jing tip ko tikna mem ye ka pulai na kam presiden nyau ai kublei I paj ba ki ya kre lang cirup o kaseng hejing to wo kan ni ga sni man ko job bat yiwong wa kani garai to garai ko nga samen handrai garai ko yong bon lang ida kan thup lang kani ko ojan tia ko bon ka son bat garai yong I to I ga kam kamai yong I ulai bai ko ka majuk kamai man gasni blai bon.
On the other hand, the Secretary of Jawai Shillong Tourist Cab Association, J. Lingdor, expressed ignorance of the indefinite strike of commercial vehicles in Shillong. The state capital, Shillong, bears a deserted look and people find it difficult to reach their places of work as commercial vehicles, including the local taxis, are off the road today. Large numbers of commuters are stranded for hours at different points of the city, waiting for vehicles to ferry them to different places. The commercial vehicles are off the road today following the government's inability to concede their demands to increase the fares, to scale down the different vehicle taxes and to reduce the prices of petrol and diesel. The people are facing the brunt of the transportation strike as many of them are compelled to work for long distances. Government employees are unable to reach the offices in time. Students who are appearing for the pre-board examinations that are being conducted by the different institutions are finding it very difficult to reach their education institutions in time due to sudden strike by commercial vehicles. The economic activities are suddenly thrown out of gear as people are finding it very difficult to reach the commercial places. Yeouido, the main commercial hub in the heart of Shillong, also bears a deserted look with scanty buyers. Earlier, the Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles has given an ultimatum to the state government that it should fulfill their demands positively by the 2nd of February, failing which they would be compelled to go for an indefinite strike which commences from today. Police presence is seen at different junctions of the city to ensure security. Contrary to the hardship faced by the commuters, one of the pedestrians, while talking to the media, said that he favors the strike of the commercial vehicles as the skyrocketing prices of petrol and diesels have affected everyone.
Nares mak bilang pi bagi cuma maki kifai ngam takawa mentai betuk besok teh cuma kelak tak ada gini banyak taksi ro pek na tu kalau awal ke lockdown tak teh so mesin like ke lockdown teh kamai odd event hiyo kan kamai tang kan RC si benai je kamai taksi ke tong arpol pai bai ke laut je ngap kat long overall ya yang morok
One of the shopkeeper airing her hardship said that she finds it very difficult to reach her shop in time and to bring her goods from faraway places.
Kini hap sang taksi, kami dalam taksi lah ya dekat jencar lambat layong, suket tiar getal, maka tay kini sebelum kini pai baru dah kang ni, kang getal. Kini orang lihat ke jencar, kini dia dekat penuh mengketiar getal bagi dukan dia rumah kemudian kini kita dekat penuhan jencar kini melihat tentang bahasa jengai. Kini saya jengai kena kaman dia lihat kemudian orang dekat kaman bos taksi, sebelum orang kiru, penting kamai kacak po beli.
1 One One of the students expresses concern over his reaching the examination hall in time due to the strike of the local taxis.
Ni kan askut te ka jing e ka long ba khangom ni te kal taxi bang yo ma ban ban kelas ni hab ban ki kijat ke te ni ko por mangi ni exam ni ko por mata te kalau ka ba ngi ru jo ba in mi dang step na yeng ni mi yo ban krek ko kot ma te long ba ha ni wana kijat ru ha ba ngi poi ha kelas ru kasim la ka por ma na ma ba kumta bang il ayat di kijat te asim de kenta bang ka hi ngi ru jo ba man kisni pat bang ya taksi pat ka por ru ka bam khandian but kayarap ru ing kunjuk ba yin poi close school ma takata hi.
Government employees justify their reaching late to offices due to the strike.
Ngi bam dan ba ngi lek da kadi la chong tingi habit up ek taksi ti le pemerintah kasni ba strike kum ni tingi sem ching e ba ki strike ki om ba ki petrol ba ki ke tingi ru hab ya kchat ni poi slam se office ki ndot ki kam ki jam ro office kam tam ki department ki bun kam ta thut ha ka ting tre kam juni ban matar ngidang ya poi ba ya kchat.
With that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.